Hello to all. This is going to be a quick unboxing and installation of these right here. These are the RailScale Ascend 1911 grips. They were shipped in the standard USPS bubble wrap kind of envelope. It had my order form and this little card here. It says gratitude. And on the back it has a QR code for the limited lifetime warranty and letting you know if you review, 3 winners will be selected every month from their website. So I have not opened these yet. And these are the single safety hybrid honeycomb black G10 grips. CNC machine, premium GT, serialized match set. Alright, so open that up, and inside we have an Allen key and the grips. So those grips do look nice. On this paper right here, they have some instructions for installation. Fitment. What does it say? Date of manufacture, 8/18. So these have been sitting around for a while. I'm guessing that's August 2018. It's not the 18th of August this year yet, so these are almost turning, 2 years old exactly. Serial number, I don't know if that's a 0748. Alright, so the serial number is actually 0749. I don't know if you guys can tell. The last digit really does not look like a 9. But on the RailScale, let's see, I have very weird lighting here. You see at the top it says 0749 and 0749 on that one. So they are matching. Very nice. Alright, so I'm going to put these on this, the Dan Wesson Discretion. So I'm going to cut the boring part, taking these grips off and putting the new grips on. Alright, so I am back and they fit lovely. So the old grips were VZ grips, I guess made specifically for Dan Wesson. On the card here it does say at the bottom, their hardware, their screws are some of the best screws out there, but this did not come with any screws. So the screws that were on the Dan Wesson on this pistol already, I took off and used them on here, and they fit nicely. There's a checklist here: hole to hole, counterbores, frame check, mag catch relief, safety. It looks like it's all good here, even for the safety, the clearance here at the end. Just barely enough for that safety to be okay. I was concerned about the bottom. This does have a mag well, but those grips line up nicely with the mag well. And they do offer ambi safety grips as well. But as you can see, this discretion only has one safety. So I'm very much, yes, these give it a lot more texture and grip than these did. They look all right. They're definitely a little bit too smooth, but these right here They definitely look better, and they have more texture. So if you guys are on the fence or anything, these are a little bit more expensive than most 1911 grips I've seen. A lot of them I've seen around the about $20 to maybe $80 price range. Shit, these cost about $120, but they definitely look worth it. Looking forward to taking this out to the range, seeing how these feel, see if that helps the grip. Hopefully keep this muzzle down a little bit more. Thanks for watching.